on me, can't be done. Now I'ma let the champagne bottle pop. I'ma take it to the top. Show I'ma make it hot, baby. I ain't got pressure, the pussy, the skirt, and I pop. Still the club squeezing my pistol, I'm sure that I got it. I pick a pipe and pick peppers and run rock lines. I 50 cent around a little bit, but I pop nines. Tell niggas get their money right, cause I got mine. I'm around quick playing, niggas, you can't shine. You gon' get that next trip, dip it up in the trunk after being hit by the pump. Is that what you want? Be easy, nigga. I lay your ass out. Believe me, nigga. Let's go to my back. Gangsta. You can find a nigga sitting down wrong. Hit the clutch, hit the head, hit the gas, and I'm gone. And rock me. Doing homie, can't be done. Now I'ma let the champagne bottle pop. I'ma take it to the top. Show I'ma make it hot, baby. I'm down for the action. Smugglers, not for smack. You hold these straps, you might come back to black. Yeah, I get a gangsta, now I'm a gangsta back. You getting homicide to be asking what happened. Oh no, look who prepping with the foe. 20 and 20 sitting on low, bro. East side, west side, niggas know. Yo, even when mama saying something really wrong with my brain, I'm the wrong minute, know I'm down and down with my chain. G, yeah, we get it poppin' in the hood. G, yeah, motherfucker, what's good? I'm waiting on niggas to act like they don't know how to act. I had to sip it to my jack, I blow them off the map with the Mac, thinking it's all rap. Till that ass be rap, Doc said it's a rap. It's a rap, nigga, right, man. Doing homie, can't be done. Now I'ma let the champagne bottle pop. I'ma take it to the top. Show I'ma make it hot, baby. I done been how to teach lessons to slow lovers. Go ahead and act up and smack in the head with the burner. I'm right there. I'm dirty. I'm from Southside Jamaica, Queens, nigga, you heard me. The street lights come on, niggas blasting nines. Get locked up to read books to pass the time. And the game is ups and downs, so I stay on the grind. Niggas on my dick, one of my bitches stay on their mind. There ain't nothing they can do to stop my shine. This is God's plan, homie. This ain't mine. I play music out for grandpa, called me a news sketch. And grandma always gotta throw her two sketch. I'm the dropout, I made more money than these teachers. Ruthless like the roof, I ain't on my beaches. I ain't gonna lie, you go back to the love it. It feels good to go 50 grand and make nothing up. Fuck it, man. Doing homie, can't be done. Now I'ma let the champagne bottle pop. I'ma take it to the top. Show I'ma make it hot, baby. Doing homie, can't be done. Now I'ma let the champagne bottle pop. I'ma take it to the top. Show I'ma make it hot, baby. Oh, baby, hot. I don't know what you heard about me, but a bitch can't get $1 out of me. No Cadillac, no curves you can't see. Said I'm a motherfucking VIP. I don't know what you heard about me, but a bitch can't get $1 out of me.